Day where we wear pink to symbolize a stand against bullying. It is a reminder to do acts of kindness and to support and encourage love, diversity, and respect for everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a Pink Shirt Day art piece using a free printable template. Watch till the end of the video and I'll explain where you can get your free Pink Shirt Day printable. For the Pink Shirt Day art project, you're going to need to download the printable template for the shirt, as well as get yourself a variety of mediums and materials. Let's get artastic. For the shirt, you can use whatever mediums or materials you want. In this demonstration, I'm going to show how you can use oil pastel and paint for an oil resist or resist art piece. So for Pink Shirt Day, I'm going to just use the shirt template itself, and I'm going to think about it as a kind of a vessel to show what Pink Shirt Day means to me, what kindness and love means to me, and the importance of it through symbols and imagery. So for this, I'm gonna be focusing on kind of like a love kind of heart design. So I'm just gonna start. When you're done, be sure to cut out your Pink Shirt Day art piece. You can choose to leave it as is, or you can glue it to some colored paper to create a frame or backdrop. Some ways that you could hang it would be to pin it to your wall. You could hang it on a pennant. So if you have multiple shirts, you can just clip them on and hang it as a nice pennant banner in your classroom, even in your home, whatever you want. I would love to know what you do to bring awareness to Pink Shirt Day. Please leave your response in the comments section below the video, and you might be featured as my comment star in a future video where I post your comment and your username. To download the Pink Shirt Day template, click the link in my comment section. It will take you to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, where you can click the big green download button up in the right side of the page. And this is a free download. In the PDF, you will find both of the templates seen in the video, as well as an example of some completed work to show students or to use for some inspiration. Like this video and click the little bell up in the top to receive notifications when new episodes arrive. As well, please subscribe to this Artastic channel. For more art tutorials, head on over to my blog at msartastic.com. Or you can check out more art teacher resources in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. For more behind the scenes footage and art ideas, of course, follow me on Instagram at Ms. Artastic. See you next time.